Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time a special unboxing as we have a prototype of a new watch from RZE. Thanks to Mick for sending me this prototype to test out. So I will be testing out this watch for a week or two and then sending it back to them. And as you can see, assembled for adventure. I really liked all the versions that they have from that they sent me before to test out. Be sure to check out the videos. So if you're new to this channel, basically I like to unbox, give my impressions on video, compare some watches, and do reviews of watches. So if you're interested in that, be sure to be subscribed. And let's get down to business. Let's open the watch. By the way, I always like this way of presenting the watch. Having a travel pack is always much better for, in my opinion, than having a box. And as you can see, you have place for your watches, place for straps, some zippers, and here we have the Valour Chronograph 38. Nice. Wow, that's really cool. As you can see, 200 meters water resistance, chronograph, yellow colored. As you can see on the 6 o'clock, we have the running seconds sticking. So that means we have a quartz movement. Let me restart the second hands. So we have a screw down crown. That's why we have a 200 meters water resistant bottlenose hands. So let's get the 10-10 position. Maybe here 11. So the 10-10 position. And you have this case shape, which is really cool. I really like it, like a box, but still cushion shaped. You have a brushed finish to the case. And here we can see information about the watch. So you have sapphire crystal on the front. You have the VK Seiko VK63 quartz, Meca-Quartz movement. It's UltraHex titanium, so the watch is titanium, which that's why it's light. Titanium buckle as well. Very supple leather, very supple rubber. Very soft on the touch, and really long as well. I think that's why he sent me also a couple of straps to try it with. Thanks, Mick, for the straps. And as you can see, we have a 24 hours counter, 67 minutes, 60 minutes sub dial. So let me get our caliper to measure the watch. So looking at the watch dimensions, we have a 40, let's say 40, I would say, let's measure it from here. 42 diameter, lug to lug 49, thickness of 12.5, and a lug width of 20 millimeters. So traditional lug width of 20 millimeters, which can fit anything like this beauty. I'm loving it until now. Of course, my Lyrique on a 20 millimeter strap. So I'll put this away and put this on my wrist. So by the way, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. And as you can see, I'm using almost the whole strap. And this most probably will flap around. Or no, it actually doesn't flap around because, oh, it actually looks quite nice. And as you can see on my wrist, this yellow dial is just fantastic. Really nice, really sporty. It sits flush on the wrist, as you can see. And you have here very cool edges. So you have, it's, I say bead-blasted, yeah? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's blasted case. But you have here, let's say the chamfers are a little bit shiny. They're not polished, but they're shiny, which gives it a really nice look. And you have also drilled holes for the lugs, so it's easier to change the lugs. I have to be honest, this strap is fantastic. It's really, really nice. And let's open also the straps that Mick sent to me to test out with this watch. By the way, Mick also has WatchBandit, so be sure to check WatchBandit out. Really great strap store here in Germany. So we have the first option. Ooh, that's really cool. We have this sporty rubber that's really nice with also quick spring bars. Always good to have the quick spring bars. It makes it much easier to change the strap. I think these will look fantastic on this watch. I'll put all these straps on the watch later on in the review, when I review the video after a week or so, but I will be wearing them from maybe a day or two, wearing each strap just to test it out, and then I will tell you all about them when I try them out in the review video. These are also fantastic, really nice. I think these all will look fantastic on this watch. Really, really nice watch. Thanks, Mick, for the straps. Thanks for sending me the watch to test out. I'll test it out for a week and send it to you back. So be sure to check out the review in a couple of weeks. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. I'll leave the info about this watch and info about WatchBandit straps also in the description, so be sure to check them out. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.